Hey guys, here's our final review for right triangle, trig, and radians. Starting off, you've got to be able to identify a trig function based on what you're given. Here you're asked to find cosine of theta. We've got the angle. I'm going to label this as the hypotenuse, the opposite, and the adjacent. Since cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse, we're looking at 8 over 17. For number 95, similarly, we're looking at tangent of theta, which is going to be based on the opposite and the adjacent. And that's going to be 16 over 12, which is 4 over 3. For number 96, we got to find the value of x. And I'm going to do this based on labeling my triangle. There's my hypotenuse, opposite, and adjacent. So this is going to be a sine problem. So sine 25 equals x over 4. 4 sine 25. And I want to do that out. We get 1.6905. For number 60, that means a is going to be 30. I know I'm looking for x, so that's my hypotenuse, and I've got my adjacent. So looking at cosine of 60 is equal to 11 over x. Cosine of 60 is 0.5.
Okay, so the reference angle is, once you draw an angle,
When we solve that out, we get x equals 22. For problem number 100, we got to solve for an angle. So we're looking at angle B. I've got the adjacent and the hypotenuse. So sine of theta is equal to 5 over 13. If I do the inverse sine of 5 over 13, that's going to tell me my angle. And when I do that, I get theta is equal to 22.6.
well, if you were drawing the whole thing, remember what we're doing, we're finding the reference.
Next up, we got to convert into radians degrees. I'm going to do number 106. So that's 40 times 2 pi over 360. That would be 80 pi over 360. I'm going to divide both by 10, divide both of these by 4, and I get 2 over 9 pi. For number 109,
So here's how you do it. This is 270, right?
we've got 120 degrees times 2 pi divided by 360, 240 pi over 360, 24 over 36 is going to be 2 pi over 3.